How to get money from Zelle if scammed in 2023. My name is Ali and I will walk you through on how to get money from Zelle if scammed. Okay, so just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you in this video and you're gonna be able to get money from Zelle if someone scammed you or something like this, because something happened a lot and a lot of people are scammed on Zelle, and today I'm coming with the solution of this so I can help you to get money from Zelle if someone scammed you. Okay, so just follow what I'm going to show you in this video and you're going to be able to do it or get money from Zelle. Okay, so if someone scammed you, you need to go directly to this website that I'm going to leave you here. This is the website. You just need to copy this website and put it on any browser you want, and then you're gonna find this page. Okay, so this is the website, and in this website you're going to be able to chat with the customer support and explain to them what happened and tell them that someone scammed you or something like this, and they're gonna verify if really someone scammed you. And after discovering that you're right, they're gonna help you to fix your problem and get you money back, or they're gonna find another solution like this. Okay, so after going to this website, you need to scroll down until you find this place. You need to fill your info and write the message here to describe what type of your problem you have. You cannot use it only if someone scammed you. You can use it on any problem that you faced with Zelle, or you have a problem with the app or something like this. If you have any problem, you just need to describe it here and then send the message to the customer support, and they're gonna help you fix your problem. Okay, so as I told you, it's not something difficult at all. Just take this link, put it on a browser, and then describe your problem to the customer support, and they're gonna help you until you fix your problem. That would be it, and I will see you in the next video.